On-screen text, how to loop iPhone voice memo, quick and easy. Narrator, in 60 seconds, you'll learn how to loop any iPhone voice memo, quick and easy. Narrator, step 1, open the voice memos app. On screen, a finger taps the voice memos icon on the iPhone home screen, with a clear label above it, 1, open voice memos. Narrator, find the voice memo you want to loop and tap it to select. The selected memo row is highlighted with a scribble underline and a callout, choose memo. Narrator, now tap the 3 dots next to that memo. A zoomed-in view shows the 3-dot menu icon being tapped, with a scribble arrow and text, more options. Narrator, from the menu, choose Share dot. The Share option is tapped, with a bold overlay label, tap Share. Narrator, then share it to your music app so we can loop it. The iOS Share sheet opens, and the music app icon is highlighted with text, Copy to Music. Narrator, step 2, open the music app and find the track in your library. On screen, the music app opens, then cuts to the library tab with the newly added voice memo track visible and labeled, Imported Memo. Narrator, tap the track to start playing it. A finger taps the imported memo track, the now playing bar appears at the bottom with a scribble underline, Playing. Narrator, next, tap the now playing bar to open the full player. The now playing bar is tapped, with a callout, Open Player. Narrator, on the player screen, find the small loop icon at the bottom. The full music player is shown, zooming toward the loop icon, which is circled with scribbles and labeled, Loop Button. Narrator, tap it until it shows Repeat 1, a tiny 1 on the loop icon. The icon cycles, ending on the Repeat 1 state, a big overlay appears, Repeat 1 equals loop. Narrator, that's it, your voice memo will now loop endlessly. Hit play, and you're done. On screen, the play button is tapped and a looping arrow scribble animation orbits the track title with text, Looping.